Professor,
No.
that is important.
This is just private. I just wanted to know whether
But Hillary there. I would allow you because even though it's a committee meeting, but the governor was ordered by the High Court not to access his office. If the governor has been directed not to access his office, it is therefore impractical and implausible that the governor has the capacity to prepare himself to appear before this committee. As a committee, we have attempted to make a distinction between an office as a physical structure and an office as an institution. It is our considered view that when a governor is instructed not to access his office, the directions bar him from accessing the institution. This Senate has not come across this situation. And as you know, the ruling by Justice Mumbi that talked about state officers stepping aside once charged is new and fresh. And its implementation still poses various challenges.